Ernest and I, you know what I'm saying, we're about the same age. I found that out, you know, we're both, you know, our birthdays are the same. He turned 40, you know what I'm saying, and I turned 41. You know? You know.
The best way to know if you have a good story, one is to record yourself doing it. The other part is to have someone else say your story out loud back to you. So that's what we're going to try to do.
I'm an adult child of alcohol, right? So right from the beginning, you know, I've witnessed, you know, some traumatic things that still stick with me and that I process today. This was a processing situation. Every time I could do what my mother told me when I was a young boy, when I used to get so frustrated, right? And she used to tell me what they tell me today, what I'm paying $130 an hour for. She said, son, there's more room on the outside than they are on the inside. So as much as you can process and get that stuff out with somebody that's in a safe environment, in a trusting environment, the better off you are.
The two most influential people in my life were my mother and my grandmother. They were always my safety net. And I wrote as well as a chick de jour. Sorry for that term, but there was always a female that I could stay with in my life. So I never realized that I was homeless for a long time. Didn't realize. Just because I had a roof over my head, I didn't think I was homeless. I had to realize that if my name was not on a lease, you are technically homeless, period. They both died within 2.5 years of each other. My mother first. 3 months after we buried my mother, that's when I was incarcerated for drug distribution. I got out after my grandmother passed away, and I became really homeless because I had no one. I would bounce between shelters. So over the course of about 25 years, I could never reach my fullest potential. The truly sad irony is that when I'm at or near the top of my game, I shine brighter than the sun. You know, okay, we read the story, we critiqued the story, but then we had a talk after that. And it was that talk that had meat to it. What we used to call in NA, the meat after the meat.
Yep.
The meat after the meat. That's what stuff.
That's when you really start to get out. Yeah.
So today, you know, I didn't expect the depth, you know, that I'm experiencing. So I appreciate it. You know, I appreciate it. Anything that I, you know, can intellectually stimulate me, it's a good thing because I'm always learning. You know, and that's what I always want to do. As much as I might have to give, you know, but I still have a lot to learn.
As a child, he had the willingness to say, I'm scared, I need your help. I couldn't do that as a child. I couldn't do that. I didn't have it in me. So a lot of things that I went through on my own by myself. You know, it scarred me. You know, I didn't know how to say, this happened, I'm scared, help me. I didn't know how to do that.
I surrounded myself, you know, with people that cared about me, although there was a few people that I trusted. And that kind of like helped me too, is to know that somebody else cared about you other than you. Because it's such a lonely place, you know, and your mind plays tricks on you, you know, that, you know, you're not worth anything. Look at where you are,
Right.
you know, So I think that you have to change your way of thinking about yourself, right? I'm a person. You can start with the basics. I'm human.